This is Sensor Studio with Sang Silbai Gurayum, bringing quick Middle East war news. Ali Larijani, Secretary of Iran's Supreme National Security Council and key security figure, was killed in an Israeli airstrike. Iranian authorities later confirmed his death. The Israeli military launched airstrikes in Tehran, Shiraz, and Tabriz, killing Gholam Reza Soleimani, commander of the Basij forces under the Revolutionary Guard. The Israeli military announced that it simultaneously attacked the infrastructure of the Iranian terror regime in 3 locations. In Jerusalem, fragments of an Iranian ballistic missile intercepted by Israel appeared at the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, causing partial damage to the church. In Lebanon, there was a large-scale Israeli airstrike. Numerous ballistic missiles were launched from eastern Lebanon. In Israel's Neria region, a building was directly hit by a ballistic missile launched by Iran. Similarly, in Israel's Neria region, numerous ballistic missiles were intercepted. Over Tel Aviv, Israeli forces intercepted rockets fired by Hezbollah. Hezbollah and Iran attacked, injuring 4 civilians. In Israel, Hezbollah launched a rocket attack, while Iranian forces fired cluster munitions, causing dozens of submunitions to fall. Reports state 2 people have died from these cluster munitions. The Israeli military released footage of airstrikes, announcing that it had eliminated Hamas terrorist groups that were attempting to attack Israel. In Baghdad, Iraq, there was an attack on the US Embassy. In Baghdad, Iraq, a large explosion occurred. Near the central bank of Baghdad, a drone was intercepted. In Basra province, Iraq, there was a drone attack on the Majnoon oil field. This attack is believed to be the work of militias targeting energy facilities in order to drive Western companies out of Iraq. Iran-backed militias launched an FPV drone over the US Embassy in Baghdad. The drone appeared to be unarmed and is believed to have carried out only a reconnaissance mission. This is over Dubai, UAE. The UAE military continues to intercept ballistic missiles launched by Iranian forces. Dozens of debris pieces are falling. The UAE is continuing to focus its attacks. Since the outbreak of the war, the UAE has intercepted a total of 314 ballistic missiles, 15 cruise missiles, and 1,672 drones. The interception rate is as high as 90%, but since so many have been launched, even with a 90% interception rate, a significant number of drones and missiles have fallen on the UAE. So far, there have been a total of 157 injured and 8 deaths in the UAE. There was a drone attack by the Iranian military in the Shah gas field, inland UAE, which caused a fire. President Trump said that in addition to NATO support from South Korea, Japan, and Australia is not needed. He also stated that this was a test and said that NATO made a foolish mistake. President Trump assessed that Iran is worse than Hitler. The White House announced that it coordinated the release of Strategic Petroleum Reserve in cooperation with 35 countries. He said oil tankers are now passing through intermittently due to Iran's weakened attack capabilities. The White House said the war with Iran would end in weeks, not months. The United States spent $12 billion, or 17.8 trillion won on war expenses by March 16. The director of the U.S. National Counterterrorism Center resigned yesterday. Is it because he could not support the war with Iran on moral grounds? A ship with U.S. Marine ground forces has arrived in Singapore. Iran International reported that since the war began, at least 5,000 Iranian soldiers have died, over 15,000 have been injured, and many have deserted the police and military. In addition, delays in salary payments to the Iranian military are lowering their morale. According to Israel's Channel 12, the Israeli government has already completed a list of targets for attacks on Iran for the next 6 weeks. A Wall Street Journal report said Russia helped destroy US military radars in the Gulf. If there are updates, I'll make and upload another video. Thanks for watching.